So this video will help you understand how to turn in your timeline. So what you're going to do is when you're finished with all of your events on your timeline, you're going to want to turn it into Canvas. So first thing you're going to have to do is on your timeline itself, there's the three little dots up to the top right. You're going to go to those three little dots, and then all the way down on the bottom, you'll see PDF. Select PDF, and you tap on that. It's going to ask you how you want to share it. And there's two things you have to do, and this is very important. You need to select where it says letter, and then down below the page orientation, it needs to be landscape. So basically what's happening is it's turning it from this direction to this direction, so we're able to see the entire PDF that you're sending, and then tap Publish PDF. And once you're done with that, it'll save it. And then you look for this Canvas student, and then the assignment is called Chapter 8 Civil War Timeline Padlet PDF Turn-In. Now, this is the first time I've ever done this with Canvas and your Padlet, so I'm hoping it works. I got my fingers crossed. If it doesn't work, we'll figure it out. Just you could try to email it to me, or we'll figure it out on Monday. But thanks for your patience. Try to get through turning this in. If it doesn't work, we'll get it figured out. Thank you all.